Hello, and today I'll be showing you how to find the surface area of a figure, the volume of a figure, and the area of a composite figure. We'll start off with surface area. So to find the surface area, you need to start off with defining the figure. So this figure right here is a rectangular prism because the two bases are rectangles. So the formula for finding surface area of a rectangular prism is just simple. It's length times width times height. So it doesn't matter which measurement you make the length or width or height, 8, 5, or 2, because we're multiplying, and the commutative property of multiplication is just where you can change around those numbers and you'll still get the same product. So let's just make the length 5, the width 2, and the height 8. So now you just need to multiply those together and you'll get 80. And it'll be centimeters squared because surface area. Nice and simple. Now for volume. We need to define the figure first again, which this is a square pyramid because all the sides meet up at a point, a tip, right at the top, and it's specifically a square pyramid because the base is a square. So to find the volume, the formula is 1/3 base times height. So first we'll find the base, which since it's a square, you just need to square one of the side lengths. So 6 squared is 36. And the height is 8 because that's that little distance from the base to the tip, the height of the pyramid. So now you just need to do that math. And so you have 36 times 8, which is 288. And then 1/3 of that is 96 inches cubed because it's volume, not area, so it's cubed. So now to the composite figure. We can't just find that area by just looking at it. So we need to split it up into different little shapes. So this right here, we see that's a little slant, and we could turn that into a triangle. So let's just take that, turn it into a triangle. Let's make that line a little bit straighter. Okay, and then we can split this into two rectangles. So I'll just split it this way. And we could also split it this way, but I'm just doing this for now. Alright, now to start, we'll start off with the rectangle. So we'll do this rectangle first. We'll call that R1 for rectangle 1, and we'll have that in green. So now, the formula for finding the area of a rectangle is just simple base times height. So now, if you plug in, the base is 5, and the height is 6. Luckily, it tells us directly. So now, you just need to multiply that out, and you'll get 30 inches squared, because it's area again. Alright, and now we'll do the second rectangle. So we'll make that, do it in purple, and we'll call it R2 for rectangle 2. So now again, base times height is the formula for this, and so it doesn't tell us directly the base or the height. So to find the base, we see that this is 7 and this is 5, so we just need to add that together and get 12. And then the height we need to find right here. We know that all of this is 10 and this is 6, so if you subtract 6 from 10, that gives us 4. Then you multiply it out and get 48 inches squared. And now we'll go on to the triangle. We'll do the triangle in orange. So we'll call it T for triangle. And now, so we're not given any of this, but we know that the formula for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So we need to find a base, and the base, we can make this the base. So we have to do a little math here. This whole line is 15, this line is 12, and we need to find this little spot, this little piece. So 15 minus 12 is 3. So, and then the height, we figure this out already. This line right here is the same as this, so it's 4. So now we just need to do the math. 3 times 4 is 12. 1/2 of 12 is 6 inches squared. So now we're going to need to add all of them together. And so we'll do that in blue. So it'll be 6 plus 30 plus 48, which will get us 84 inches squared, because still area. So there it is, there you have it. That's how to find the surface area of a figure, the volume of a figure, and the area of a composite figure. Thank you.